But yeah, I'm just gonna be talking about like buying the car you want. Like, cause I bet a lot of you guys can maybe afford like a BMW or something, but you're probably worried thinking about your monthly expenses and your income. You're probably thinking you're cutting it too close and stuff like that. And that's normal, bro. I've been there too, and I'm still there right now. Pretty much, I'm just gonna be telling you guys from experience. Nothing in this video I say, bro, it's not a flex, it's not to brag, it's nothing, cause I'm far from rich, not even close to being rich, bro. I'm average. I'm just an average person. Some people are gonna take it out of context. Some people are gonna talk shit. Some people are gonna say, you know, you always have those people in the comments, but for you guys who actually know what I'm talking about, like maybe some of you guys want a car, let's say a 3 Series like this, and you probably can afford it, but you're maybe thinking like you're cutting your expenses too close and this and that. You worry about those things as much as you are right now, because I've been there and I'm still there right now. I'm in that position to get a M4 or a M340i because I'm like, damn bro, can I afford it? I need to take my own advice. If you guys worry about that too much and overthink all of that, you're never gonna actually buy the car you want. You know, like you're just gonna make your thoughts get the best of you and you're never gonna buy the car. Because before I had this car, whenever I see someone in a BMW, even a 320i, I used to think, damn, they got money, they're balling. And now that I have it, it's normal, bro. It's so normal. Like I see someone driving it now, I don't think, like I usually think they're rich, but now I don't think anything, bro. It's just a normal car. You know, I used to think I'm not able to afford the car. I'm like, damn, I can't afford the payments. Like I don't make payments on my car though, but like insurance, gas and stuff like that, I used to think I would not be able to afford it. Yeah, I'm roll the window down. Nah, too much smoke coming out of this though. That thing is gonna break down any second. But yeah, I used to think I would not be able to afford it. And now that I own it, the expenses, it doesn't even exist anymore, bro. Like I just pay for what I need to pay for, and it's almost like it doesn't even affect me. You know, like it's so normal. It's just a normal thing now. I used to be so worried. Like, I could not even imagine how I would be able to afford a car like this. And now I have it, and it's normal, bro. And it's the same thing now. I want like a M4 or a M340i, and I'm in the same phase again, thinking about, can I afford it? A Volkswagen. But yeah, I'm thinking like, can I afford it? Oh, this guy has to get in. My bad, bro. But yeah, I'm in the same spot right now with getting a new car. But yeah, I'm just sharing my experience with you guys, you know, giving my opinion. Probably help some of you guys out with making a decision. They're looking back at me. I don't know if it's a good way or a bad way. But yeah, bro, like, trust me, just buy the car. Once you buy it, it's gonna force you to make more money, and it's gonna make you make more money. Now, you don't want to be stupid. You don't want to go buy a car that you obviously cannot afford, because like I'm saying, I'm debating between an M340i and an M4, because I know I can afford those, the F82 M4. I know I can afford it, but I'm kind of worried, like my expenses, I'd probably be cutting it too close and stuff like that. Yeah, someone else is revving it up. Oh, it's this Beamer behind me. Damn, that shit sounds crazy. I don't know which one it is. It's old school, it's nice though. But yeah, like I was saying, bro, you can't be dumb with it, because like I know I can afford an M340i or an M4, but I know I can't afford a Lambo, so I'm not gonna go and put myself in debt by buying a Lambo. I know I can't afford it. For a car that you guys like know that you can afford, but you're just kind of worried about the expenses, it's nothing to worry about. Trust me, there's a cop over there. But yeah, it's nothing to worry about. Like once you buy it, it's gonna force you to make more money. It's gonna make you make more money naturally. Got it, bro. Like the money just came. Just, you know, you have to make the money to pay for it, so you're gonna make. Trust me, it sounds stupid, it might sound like some bad advice and whatnot, but you guys can trust me on it, bro. I'm telling you guys, I'm just a normal guy. I'm just a normal person. I just do what I need to do, you know, just be smart, buy the car. I feel like that's the main thing. I feel like if I still had the Lexus, the amount of money I'm making now, I wouldn't have been making it if I stuck with the Lexus, because then I would just be stuck in that mindset. I have a Lexus, I only need to make this much money. You know, like, yeah, some of you guys might say, even with the Lexus, you can want to make more money, but it's not the same wanting to make more money and needing to make more money. Because when I had a Lexus, it wasn't as expensive as this car. You know, it was a bit cheaper on gas, stuff like that. And I still wanted to make money, but I was not making the money I wanted to make. And the second I bought this car, because when I had the Lexus, the money I wanted was just a want, it wasn't a need. But then I bought this car, I know that I had to make the money. I didn't have a choice, so I needed to make it. And that's what really pushed me into making it. Then you don't have a choice. You guys might think like, BMW is still behind me. But yeah, you guys might think in your head like you can make this money and you can do this. When it's just a want, it's just a want. Trust me, when it's a need, it's completely different. Take my word, bro. Like, I'm telling you guys from experience, I used to think the same thing. I'm like, bro, I can do whatever I want. But when it's a want, it's not nearly as important as when it's a need. When it's a need, you know that you have to, bro. In some way, somehow, it's gonna happen. I don't know how to explain it. It's probably just the universe or some shit, if you guys believe in that stuff. I'm not sure, to be honest. I don't know if the universe and all of this stuff. I have no opinion on that, bro, but it has to be, you know, because naturally the money just comes. I know that I can afford it. I know that once I buy whatever car I'm getting next, it's a nice Porsche. I know that once I get it, I'm gonna be able to make the payments. It's eventually gonna become normal. I'm gonna make more money, but still, I'm still stuck in that little phase between, damn, should I do it? I know I want it, and I know I can afford it. So yeah, like, if any of you guys are going through that same phase, bro, take my advice, bro. Just buy the car. I've been there, I've done it, and I'm taking my own advice. I'm gonna buy a newer car soon. Hopefully I can do it for my 21st birthday. I'm gonna make it happen. My 21st birthday is the end of this year, December 23rd. And I'm gonna make it happen, bro. I wanna buy myself a car, you know. I have done it before. This car I bought myself, the Lexus I bought myself, but whatever car I get next is gonna be like a dream car for me. This is one of my dream cars, but the next car is just gonna be that next step. And if I buy it for my 21st birthday, it's gonna be super sick. I might buy it before or after. I'm not sure. If I can buy it on the day, that would be sick. But you know, I don't want to be carless for too long. Let's say I sell this car before, I don't want to wait all the way until December to buy a new car, because I still got to make videos and stuff like that, and I still need to have a form of transportation to get around. So I don't know, hopefully, like, it would be sick if I could buy it on my birthday, but I doubt that's gonna happen. But I'm still gonna buy it for my birthday. I know it's gonna happen, bro. For the rest of the video, I'm just gonna get out of this traffic, give you guys some nice pulls, some pops, everything like that. Almost home now though. I'm starving, bro. Probably gonna put this window down all the way. I did that in one of my POVs. I didn't think it was really bad, so should be chilling. Probably get a bunch of people staring at me though. Bro, I know I said enough of me yapping, but I was just driving still, and I'm thinking, and I'm like, in the same time when I thought I could not afford this car, a little bit after I bought this car, I was still living at home and stuff, and a little bit after that, I got an apartment, bro. And that, at that point in my life, that was last year, probably like October. And yeah, oh, music is still playing. But yeah, that was probably like last year, October. Damn, bro, that pops are warm as fuck. But yeah, it was like last year, October. I got my own apartment. And at that point, when I say, bro, I was stressed the out. Like, I was making exactly enough money, and I had to be working so much. Like, when I say working, I'm talking about my job too, and all the business stuff I was growing on the side. I was like making, I had to be like doing all my shifts, bro. Sometimes I would pick up shifts and shit, because I was making the exact amount that my expenses were. So like, I could not afford to not have the money for like rent or stuff like that. And bro, when I say I was down bad, nah, it's too windy probably, but yeah, I was down bad, bro. Last year, bro, it's not even a full year ago, and it's crazy to think that now I'm not even stressing about those stuff no more. But bro, like, that's the lowest number I've seen in my bank account too, like ever, like in my whole life. And you would not look at me and even know it, bro. That's the thing, you can't even judge people, bro. Like, you can't judge a book by its cover, because all people see is that, all right, last year I was 19 at the time. All people saw was that this kid's 19, he has a BMW, and he has his own place. So people think I'm chilling, bro, but nah, like, I had no money in my account. When I say no money, I mean no money. The exact amount of money I was making was the exact amount that my expenses were. And I was stressed, bro. Like, I could not sleep, nothing, fam. I couldn't do nothing, bro. I was just stressed to the, like, it was bad, bro. Just like when I thought I could not afford a BMW, I was like, bro, I don't know if I can afford an apartment too, but, you know, I just took my own advice, took the step I needed to take, and now it's normal. Like, I pay my rent easily. Yeah, I pay my rent, bro, with ease. I maintain my car, I pay for everything I need to pay for. You know, I can still I still have enough money to mod my car if I want to mod my car. I still have enough money to go out if I want to go out and have fun. You know, like, by no means am I rich. Damn. But yeah, by no means am I saying I'm rich. I'm not even close to being rich, bro. I'm just average, like I said, because there's still a bunch of things I cannot afford, you know, that I still want to do, but I can't afford it. But the fact that last year, when I moved out and stuff, I was stressed out, bro. And you know, after I bought the BMW and all of that, and now, like, that money is nothing to me, bro. Like, it's easy stuff for me to pay now. So it's crazy, bro, to see that, like, how much you can achieve. And that's why I'm giving you guys this advice. Like, if you think you can't do something, like, you know you have the money to do it, but you're probably worried about you cutting it too close and stuff, that's what's gonna push you, bro. That's really what's gonna push you to the next level. I'm just following what I've been doing, bro, and just continuing to do it. That's why I'm telling you guys the same thing too. Like, you guys can probably use the advice. I'm telling you, it's shit that works, and I'm just an average guy, like I said, you know. So if you guys can learn from what I've learned, you know, I'm just sharing with you guys what I've done and stuff. So yeah, that's why I'm sharing it, bro. I don't know, I just think it's a cool topic. I just like to talk about those kind of things, bro. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments too. But yeah, it hasn't even been a year since I moved out and bought the BMW and everything, but there's still a bunch more I need. So I'm still stressed out about money every day. Like right now I'm still stressed out, because probably a year from now I'm gonna look back at this day and say, damn, I can't believe I used to be stressed out about that amount of money. But it just happens, bro, because I know I'm gonna look back for sure probably like next year and be like, damn, I used to think it was hard to afford an M4 or M340i, or whenever I get the new car, I'm gonna look back and I'm gonna say, can't believe I was worried about buying it. And you know, after that car, then I'm probably gonna be looking at another car that I'm gonna be worrying about to buy again. That's just how it works, bro. And I'm glad that I've kind of like know the right things, and I can give myself the right advice and stuff like that, you could say. I'm just glad that I'm smart enough to know that. In a bunch of my videos I always talk about money and stuff like that, so I just thought this would be a cool video as well to make. But anyways, that is it for this video. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos. Some of you guys like it, maybe some of you guys just prefer the straight on POVs. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to ask me anything in the comments. Thank you guys for watching this video again, and I'll catch y'all again in the next one.